Let's talk digital marketing, digital products, and 2023, and why I think it's important that everybody needs to learn the skill on how to build a business online. And if you're curious how to do that, I have that right in my Stan Store for you, because it will take you and walk you through literally step by step through the process on how to start your business online. Now, let me tell you what I've done and what I think is important for 2023. And guys, we are halfway through, so it's not too late for you to get started. Here are the top, I'm going to say 3 to 5 things that I focus on when it comes to my business that is generating money over and over every month. So I have my main high ticket product, which is my digital course that I market. And it's honestly step by step on how to build a business online, how to market your business, and how to automate your business, because we're all looking for time freedom. So automation is really important. I've come a long way, so I've added other products because, again, I want to teach you how to make money online. So these are just things that I've done. I've added a digital marketing starter kit, which is a guide. It's like an ebook to my business. It creates another stream of income because I wanted everybody to be able to do this. So if my high ticket product was too expensive for you, I created a lower ticket product, which is $37 one time. And you can literally learn by going through this, again, walkthrough step-by-step process of how to create your own digital guide around anything you're passionate about. The other thing I added to my business is email marketing. I freaking love the email marketing because it's pre-written emails. I show up 10 minutes. I send those emails out every day. And if somebody opens the email and clicks the link, I earn 10%, but there's a second part to that business. I also use it as a referral program. The other products I have is anything that I use to build my business. So it's my software that I use, and I can also make reoccurring commissions off of those softwares. Then I create these videos about all of my products and how it can help you build a business online so you can ditch your 9 to 5. Or maybe that's a 12-hour shift like I work. So everything I do is around the make money online because that's what I love. But you can take everything that I just mentioned and apply it to whatever you're passionate about.